Now, students, in the previous two videos, we have already learned the syntax of select command and how to use it with some conditional statements using the where clause and some of the operators like the between, in, and, or, not, and mathematical operators plus, minus, multiplication, division, these types of things. Now in this video we'll learn the group by clause and order by clause. So what is actually group by clause? Group by clause is used for dividing the records in number as per the different categories or as per the different criteria. Suppose I want to display the records as per the example of the my customer table. Suppose I want to display the records as per the customer country, the total payment amount. Each country I want to get the dividing by each country I want to get the total payment amount category wise. Now again I want to get the city wise the total payment amount. So these are the different conditions for grouping the records as per the different categories. Now for grouping the records we require some column where the number of records are where I can group and we can group and thus and next is the order by clause. For order by clause, this is for arranging the records either in ascending or descending order. Now we can start with one example. This is the table we will use for examples. So this table contains these are the records: customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country, payment amount, and grade. These are the column names. So the first command is to display the total payment amount as per the customer's country wise. So the syntax for this to write the first the column name in which I want to group. So this is the column name, and then I have to write the method. So I want to summation, find the summation or total payment amount. So payment amount, inside the bracket write the name of the column, payment amount, and then write the table name from my customer, group by customer country. So in this way the customer country wise the sum payment is there. Now suppose I want to group the records city wise. So you can write here, you can see in the column name. So city wise it will display the summation payment amount. So these are the city wise. Now suppose I want to use the other method. Suppose maximum, minimum, this type. So maximum payment amount. So we can get it. So through these examples, it is very now the group command is clear to you. Now next is command is the order by. Order by is for arranging records. So I want to arrange the records as per the name of the customer. So select asterisk means select all the columns from table name is my customer, and order by customer name, customer. So as per the customer name, the records are arranged. And next, suppose I want to arrange the records in the descending order. By default, the arrangement is ascending order. If you want to arrange the record in descending order, then you have to write descending. So this is in the descending order, you can see. And suppose I want to arrange the records as per the payment amount, then you can write here the payment amount in the descending order. Now these two clauses are very common clauses, that is the group by and order column we have learned. Now next I want to discuss little bit about these two functions, that is the count asterisk and count with some column name. The balance in the parameters it can pass. So this is for finding the total number of records in a table, and this is for finding the total number of values in a table, in a particular column, Now you can do this, you can do some commands using this table. For practical, I will use this command. Select asterisk from is missing here. Select select asterisk from. Now you can see that in the bonus field there are two records, null value is there. So suppose I am writing here select count asterisk from salary, then you get 6 records. But suppose I am writing here bonus and then from salary, then we will get only 4 values. So this is the difference. So with the order by and the group by clause, we learn two additional things, that is count and count string. Thank you for watching, and if this is informative to and you learn something from this video, then subscribe it and like it. This will help for the promotion of the YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.